This is Project Ethelbert, an ECD Custom 110 built to our client's exact specification. Ethelbert is finished in eggshell Coniston green with black accents. Ethelbert sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This vehicle also features a full external 6-point roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, 4 LED round spotlights up front with 2 work lights at the rear, and an all-black steering guard. Inside, Ethelbert features an Evander wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Puma Classic heated and ventilated front and mid-row seats, with 2 forward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a Garrett distressed nutmeg leather, stitched together in mahogany. This 110 is powered by our 2.8 litre Cummins diesel engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout. This setup is about as close as you can get to the final edition Defenders in Europe. The stunning eggshell green gives it a real modern military feel. This really is a superbly built vehicle and a real credit to the owners.